All right, so we are going back to theme. Remember, theme is the lesson learned, and moments of reflection can help determine the theme. So what it means by reflection is when that person in the story stops and really thinks about what's going on. Strategy. When characters reflect during the text, it's often because they are thinking back on a lesson learned. If we pay attention to these reflections, it will give us clues as to what the lesson learned is or what the theme is. When reflection happens, we will often notice the text is in italics, which means it's slanted to the side like this, showing someone is speaking. As we read the narrator's thoughts, we learn what they're thinking. We often see characters reflecting after problems have been solved or characters have changed. Let's take a look at this excerpt from the book Wonder, which means we're just going to look at this little piece or this portion of the book. In this excerpt, we can hear the main character reflecting on his life. When given the choice between right or being kind, choose kind. So you are going to practice your wonderful reading skills. You're going to read this excerpt on your own on the next slide, and then we're going to come back and talk about the theme.